Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to justify your paragraphs within Microsoft Word. This gives you a lot more of a professional look and feel within your documents. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We're going to scroll down through this little template that we've got going on here and just find a good paragraph to kind of do this in. What we mean by justify is we're going to justify the left and the right hand sides here to spread the words out so that it kind of fills out the space. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this paragraph right here. We don't have to highlight it like this necessarily. We could also just click inside it, and if we head over to the home tab, go over to the paragraph section just here, and if you hover on this one here, it says justify. It's also a shortcut of Control J, but if we give that a click, you can see here it justifies the paragraph, so how text kind of spreads from the left to the right evenly and distributes it so it fills that space. If we come down just a little bit as well, we'll find another paragraph right here where you can see that this one is not justified. If we click anywhere in here and we use the Control J, it's going to justify that paragraph as well, fill out that space and make the paragraph and the document read just a little bit more professional. And here's another one. Again, this time we'll highlight the entire paragraph here and hit the justify. So home, paragraph, justify, and it will justify that paragraph there as well. Again, we could highlight and go Control J and it will justify those paragraphs for us. Okay, it's a really simple and easy technique to do, and it gets you some really nice results. Hopefully you found this useful and informative. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new, subscribe, and don't forget to check that video out right there. It's one you might not want to miss.